Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AMP removal strategy for SEO stabilization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure an AMP removal strategy for SEO stabilization, start by assessing your current AMP implementation. Analyze your website's data to identify the performance of AMP pages versus non-AMP pages. Check which pages are currently using AMP and determine their traffic levels and rankings. Decide whether you want to remove AMP completely or transition to a preferred mobile strategy. If you're opting for complete removal, create a comprehensive inventory of all AMP pages. Next, implement 301 redirects from AMP pages to their corresponding non-AMP versions. Ensure all important metadata, such as titles and descriptions, are correctly transferred to the new pages. Update internal links to point to the non-AMP versions instead of the AMP versions. Monitor your website's performance during the transition to ensure there are no significant drops in traffic. Utilize Google Search Console to check crawling and indexing status during the AMP removal process. Regularly review analytics to track the impact of the changes on user behavior and search rankings. Consider updating your XML sitemap to reflect the removal of AMP pages. Communicate to your users about the changes, highlighting the benefits of the new mobile experience. Once the removal is implemented, focus on optimizing the non-AMP pages for mobile usability and speed. This could involve optimizing images, improving page load times, and ensuring responsive design. Finally, conduct regular audits to assess the ongoing performance of your non-AMP pages and make adjustments as needed. Continuously improve your SEO strategy to maintain stabilization after the AMP removal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.